In this situation, suppose that my sister plans to send her teacher a surprise present, and there are three possible options, including a small party, recording a video to thank the teacher, and giving a handmade card. I believe that giving a handmade card would be the best choice for several reasons. To commence with, a handmade card is personal and meaningful. Indeed, it shows care, creativity, and love, which can make the teacher feel truly appreciated. Moreover, it is simple and easy to prepare. In other words, my sister can design it herself and write kind words that come from her heart. In contrast, a small party is not a perfect option because it needs more time, money, and planning, which may be difficult for her to manage. Similarly, I think that recording a video should not be chosen because not everyone feels comfortable speaking in front of a camera. All in all, based on the above ideas, I suppose that giving a handmade card would be the best solution in this situation.